Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla assured that he will give reply to the memoranda submitted by Cocomi tomorrow, after the CSO's members, IDPs and public took out a rally march to Lok Bhavan and met the governor today. The rally, held under the banner Response to our December Memorandum March to Lok Bhavan, initiated from TYC Club at Segaro Takilambam Lekai in the afternoon when Manipur Governor was about to arrive at Imphal International Airport. The rally was soon joined by large numbers of IDPs and public from different locations who heard about the event. Seeing the development, security arrangements were also tightened with heavy deployment of RAF, CRPF and Manipur police personnel along the Tidim Road stretch. The protesters tried to block the road when the governor was coming along the road stretch from Imphal International Airport. However, security forces managed the governor to pass the area on the other side of the two-lane national highway under tight security measures. Later, the protesters started proceeding further to Lok Bhavan, shouting various slogans. However, they were stopped at Keshampat Junction by security forces before allowing some representatives to meet the governor, chief secretary and home commissioner at around 3:30 p.m. Speaking to reporters after meeting the governor, Cocomi convener Courage Mathoba asserted that the governor has assured them that he will give reply to the demands highlighted in the memorandum submitted by the CSOs tomorrow in the form of written statement. Mathoba went on to remark that the relay march was fruitful, citing the governor's response. He also said that Cocomi will decide its future course of action after seeing the governor's response.
Governor Unabada, Chief Secretary Suyore, Aduga Home Commissioner Suyore, Aduga Mohu Puna Kuminam. When among the Hajabudumana, Ladybug, Governor Administration, Miam Gilang, Haragam, Lady Miam Sigamari, never have one to Shukodum Hangi. Adimata Miamna, Tambo, pumping the pop, Peter Basika, you know, I want to when a tongue but over the toasting cars who hired to Moy, Haying Sea, Miam the Tongiba Memorandum Singshigi, Chapchaba, in writing the Aibachi in a Haying Pizarga had another by now. Haying Sea Moina Piracaba, Wiggy Pocumse, Adu Paraka, the Haying Mianda, Adu Marundu Paramatun, the Quake, the Gay, the Miam Long. See, my paying a Sisalam, the target is Pocums, the Pipon of the Cia, Adu Moina Matamsana, Natega, Tedoga. When among the press that Hadoki statement of Malaki, Adu that I shall not motion to get over later, Bayabu, if you delay, Adu Miam, Hogan and Sea, Namdana, Governor Pocum, Lobusi, Miam in my company.